Hi, guys. It's Matt Silderman. Good to see you again. It's been a while. I've been working behind the scenes. I do have some big things to share in the coming weeks. And so that's kind of what I've been working on. But I saw this post on Instagram and I really wanted to share it with you. And so when we talk about personal funnels, right, the focus is on personal relationships, building relationships to grow your business, and how you do that in a strategic and systematic way. And so let's take a look at this post because it's pretty interesting. Okay, so the post was how businesses found their marketing partner. Now, this was created by SEMRush. And if you don't know, SEMrush creates tools, and their goal is to help marketers. Mainly, the focus is on search marketing and search engine optimization. Okay. And so now, this, I need to caution you, this was not um, some big scientific post with correct sample sizes and everything else. But I feel that their findings are pretty valid because, if they were talking their own book, if they were talking up SEO or search marketing, then you might have to take that with a grain of salt. But guess what they found? They found that 58.6 of the people that they surveyed found their marketing partners through word of mouth, right? And so once again, I love it when someone I'm not paying proves my point and says, yes, relationships are the key, and systems to maximize those relationships are the way to go to be successful and to grow your business. So I thought you guys would enjoy that. Like I said, I've got some big news coming up for personal funnels, and I can't wait to share that with you. But listen, hit me up in the comments. Is there anything you'd like to see? Anything you'd like to know other than my tease? I'd love to hear from you. All right, guys, have a great day. Take care.